Hi, I'm Patsy from PRW Coaching. I hired Expert SM last year to help me with my social media because I was trying to do it on my own and it was so time consuming and I just didn't have that time to invest. I needed to spend that time building my business. And so because I'd met Kat and hit it off with her straight away, I decided to hire her company to help me, and I have no regrets. Her company has really taken time to get to know me, get to know my needs, get to know what I like, and as a result my visibility online is huge. When I Google my company, I'm top. I have many posts that get shared by my friends and contacts on Facebook and other social media platforms, and as a result my confidence online has grown. Other services that they provide is that they've taken time to get to know me. They give me advice on different things I can try on social media to help grow my visibility online. So I highly recommend Expert SM. Don't hesitate, reach out to them and let them show you what they can do for you.